and welcome back to my channel. This is Erica from Confessions of a Homeschooler, and I have the spring FabFitFun box to unbox for you today. Yep, I've partnered with FabFitFun again to bring you all the contents of their 2019 spring box. If you're unfamiliar with FabFitFun, they're a seasonal subscription box, so they come 4 times a year: summer, winter, spring, and fall. Like I mentioned, this is the spring box. The boxes are $49.99 each, but they have a value of over $200 per box, which is awesome. My favorite thing about FabFitFun boxes is they come with full-size products and not just all those kind of little dinky samples that ended up getting thrown away from some of the other boxes. And you can get $10 off with my code I will put right here, so don't forget to use that if you're a new subscriber. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside this month's box. In every box is the FabFitFun magazine. This one is featuring Venus Williams. There's recipes, videos. There's also information about all the products in your box, which gives you helpful hints and tips on how to use all the products. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, our first product is this Awai Leave-In Spray Conditioner, and I actually put this on today. This product smells really, really good. It reminds me of how I smell when I come out of the hair salon, so really nice and fresh, and like I just got my hair done. I actually haven't used it on wet hair yet. I just sprayed it on dry hair, and then I curled, and my hair feels nice and soft. So far I'm loving this. I did look online for you guys since I've only tried it once, and it did get 4.5 to 5 stars on several different websites. So I'm really excited to have this product in my stash. This product retails for $26. All right, our next product is this Levito Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin Orange and Bergamot. I believe it ships out of Israel. It smells really nice. It is, it's got like a light fragrance. I'm not smelling the orange, but I also have a cold, so who knows, right? Oh yeah, it does smell like orange actually. So it does smell really good. It feels really good on the hands. It's nice and smooth. I could only find one review online for you guys. It was a 5-star review, but like I said, it was only one review, so I can't say a whole lot about this product yet, but it does smell really nice. So this product retails for $19. All right, our next product is this Dr. Brand Skincare Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Visibly reduce the look of under eye bags, dark circles with this breakthrough solution. So I actually did use this today because I have a bit of a cold right now, and I got like 0 sleep last night. So I don't know if you can see my eye bags, but I also put on concealer because yeah. This product came out orange, so I was a little bit concerned when I first put it on, but as soon as I put it on, it kind of disappeared. I don't think it necessarily helped the appearance of my eye bags. I still had to do concealer for sure, but I don't know. I don't feel super puffy. What do you guys think? Don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to color correct dark circles. Okay, I don't know. I can't say it really color corrected a whole lot, but it did come out, like I said, bright orange, and that was a little freaky, but it disappeared, so I don't know. This product retails for $42. The next product we have here is this jump rope, 11 by Venus jump rope. FabFitFun partnered with Venus Williams to make this jump rope, and honestly, if it's good enough for her, it's good enough for me. We did try this one out so you can see how it works. Roll clip. Honestly, this is probably the perfect gift in my box because I really need to step up my workout game because I haven't been doing a whole lot of working out so far this year, so yeah, this is next on my list. This product retails for $15. Our next product is the Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial, and I have to be honest, I actually didn't have time to try this. It says that it brightens and hydrates your skin. It's a weightless souffle containing vitamin C, turmeric extract, and hyaluronic acid. I did look online for you guys though, and this product on several different websites got 4.5 out of 5 stars, so I'm actually looking forward to trying it. Hopefully it's really good. I did smell it. It does have a nice light rose scent to it. Nothing super overpowering, but it does smell nice and fresh. This product retails for $48. All right, our next product is the Manna Kadar Champagne Body Scrub, formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. The luxe and gentle body scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. You apply it evenly onto the body while gently massaging the skin and then rinse. I actually have not had a chance to use this product either, but again, I looked online and it got really good ratings. This actually smells really good. It's kind of, I don't know, fruity scent or something, but it doesn't look fruity at all. Anyways, I'm excited to try this one. It smells really good, and like I said, it got really good reviews. This product retails for $24. All right, our next product is this Sip by Swell Thermal water, or I guess drink container. And this one is 15 ounces, insulated to keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. As you can see, it's like a nice metal here, very thermal and insulating. I did look online, I haven't had time to try it yet, obviously. It's still in the packaging, but it did get really good reviews, 4.5 to 5 stars on a couple of different places that I looked. I love this color, as you can see, kind of matches with what I'm wearing. Unfortunately, I probably won't get to keep this one very long because I've already got kids trying to take this as soon as this video is done. All right, the final product in our bag, and this is probably one of my favorites, is the Deluxe Demi Backpack. Keep your belongings safe and snug in the cutest canvas backpack. It features adjustable straps, a top handle, and a post closure, making it the perfect bag for all your spring travels. And this bag is actually super cute. I really like it. The only thing I can say about it is the handles feel a little, not super sturdy. They're kind of thinner handles here, and so I'm worried that if I use this bag too much with like heavy products, the handles might not hold up, but I don't know. It actually got really good reviews online as well, so maybe they hold up better than they seem. And then it's just got this little closure on the front here, and then inside it's got a pocket, and then it has these snaps actually, so you can kind of make it a little bit bigger, and then there's this inside pocket here as well. So this is probably one of my favorite products in this month's box. It's super cute. I think this will be a really cute spring purse, or the other thing it'll be really good for is my knitting and crochet projects, so that'll be really fun to be able to take with me, maybe to the pool, things like that. And this bag retails for $75. All right guys, that's everything that was in the 2019 FabFitFun Spring Box. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think there were some great products in this season's box. I'm really looking forward to using some of them. And like I mentioned, if you are a new subscriber, make sure to use my code right here. You can get $10 off your first box, and that brings it down to $39.99. And like I said, the value is over $200 worth of products. And like you saw, they were all full size, really nice products. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I know to keep making them for you. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time. All right, do you want to practice catching? How are you gonna, you're eating something. How are you gonna catch when you're eating?
I'll catch.
There's also information about all the products in the box. Stop saying that. I can't talk when you're doing that. Dang it. It's falling apart, we're falling apart already. Let me just start it. Stop, Olivia. You're worse than Katie. Sam, up here. Dang it.
The one you don't
I know, that was my fault. Sorry. Oh, fail. Paper towel. Hello, paper towel. Oh man, I got on my camera and everything.
Tech support, get it.
In the middle of shooting a video. Just go ahead and get a drink. All right, I will too. Anyways, I'm probably not gonna get to keep this though because I already have kids trying to take it as soon as this video's over.
Snatch it, Liv. My gosh.
Snatch it, Liv.